friends, I have received, I believe, a happy mail. And I'm surprised. And it says, lots of love inside. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's going on. I did undo the tape, as you can see. And listen, I hear some bells. Look, how cute is that? And how cute is this presentation right here? Holy cow, that's amazing. Let me make sure you can see everything in the box. Let me do this. Okay, my camera's out as far as it can go, but it looks like we have a card here. Let me have a look here. Hi, Jovi, congrats again. Oh, it's my winnings, that's right. Oh, so exciting. So it says, hi, Jovi, congrats again. Thanks for participating and your support. Enjoy these goodies, Paper Hugs Lori. And Lori's channel is Lori is Inspired. So let's have a look-see at what the winnings are. Well, this is totally cute. I don't even know where she found tissue paper with little ghosties on it, but that's adorable. Oh my guys, I've been working on my presentation, but listen, I am not at this level yet. This is amazing. So we've got some foam flowers in here. How fun are these? And look, this right on top, it says boo. Look how cute. So I don't want to miss anything, so I'm going to take these out. Look, we have a bat. So cute. Oh, and more flowers. I can't wait to craft with these next season. Look, a little ghost. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. I actually should be taking a picture of this so that I can sort of level up my game. My gosh, I feel so spoiled. These are so cute. How fun. Okay, so I also see, oh, this is a bow. Okay, so let me get this out of the way here. I love it. It's pink and black. I mean, that's one of my very favorite color combinations. Pink and gray and pink and black. I just love that color combination. So this is just truly so fun. Okay, my friends, I think we're ready. So listen, this little box right here, this is the one with the little, and hold on a sec, you have to see this. It's a little pumpkin, and it's a bell. It's so cute. So let's untie, I don't want to untie it, but I'm gonna actually, let me move this box. So adorable. Okay, let's focus on this little item right here first. This is great fun. All right. Now that's adorable. I like the way that that bell made all that noise, and it was just simply put on a bulb pin. I love that so very much. I need to look for those. That's really cute. What a perfect bow as well. Gorgeous. Love this ribbon. Deliciously pink. So cute. That'll be going in the reuse pile for sure. Now I'm just gonna tear it, y'all. I know y'all like to save things, and I do too, but sometimes when stuff is taped, you just gotta tear it. You just gotta get into it, right? Have fun like Christmas morning. Just do it, be free. Okay, let's see what's in here. All right, I feel like there's a little bit of tape right here. Get a pair of scissors, open that up. There we go, should be good. Oh my gosh, look how cute, and it's pink and white and black. I love it. Oh, it's beautiful, Lori. And this looks handmade. I wonder, Lori, did you make this? Well, because there's no markings on the bottom, so I wonder. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh. Well, your channel might be called Lori is Inspired, but I am the one who is inspired right now. Okay, let's have a look at... Oh, look how fun. She sent me a blank for me to alter. So for those of you not familiar with Cricut, they call their blank items, whether they're t-shirts or whatever, they call them blanks. And look, it's a pouch. How great. Oh, that's fun. That's a fun little project. Okay, so I don't forget, because this is really important, I'm going to write her channel name on here so I can remember when I do it. I need to make sure, if I do it and show it off, I need to make sure that I tag her because that's great. I just want her to see how I've used this. And I've actually never done a bag before, like one of these little zipper pouches. So that should be a lot of fun for me. Hold the phone because this is like the cutest thing I've ever seen. So look at these gorgeous trims. I love her theme of pink and black. That's fantastic. So look at it. The cat with the bow, and then this little shaker spider, and this cute skirt, and the eyes, and the gem, and the bat, and a spider, and oh my gosh, and the bow with the rose. It's all so cute. And it started like this, which is adorable, but then she transformed it into this, which is amazing. So let's see what's inside of this bag. All right, oh, adopt a ghost. Oh my gosh, now that is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. What is happening? Oh my gosh, look at this. So here's our ghost. Okay, and we have a scroll. Okay, you guys, this is too much. Lobby is his name. Born the 6th of December, 1919. His occupation was a shoemaker. He likes trains and he dislikes bunions. Yeah. And it says, many times the wrong train took me to the right place. Ah, that's so awesome. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. That's just a really fun idea. And I love how you made this box. That's super cute. Look at that gorgeous bow. That's amazing. All right, I'm going to put this over here. And then we have, oh, this is too much. Look at this. So she made this with her Cricut. I mean, this is amazing. Look at this. Hey, Fabulous. Oh my gosh, this is just really inspiring. And then look at this chunky chain she made. Fantastic. I love the pink lobster claw clasp here. And then this is like a little eraser. And then look at this. This is so good. I'm amazed. Oh my gosh, it is full of goodness. Let's see here, you guys. Oh, wow. Oh, this is just too much fun. Oh my gosh. What an amazing winnings package. We got some gemmies here. These are fantastic. I love this color. It's like coral. It's beautiful. Love those. We have a ghost hug. You can't feel it, but it's there. Oh, that's fantastic. And then we have, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have so much fun crafting with this next year. We have a little spider on top of this cork, and then it's full of, oh, you guys, oh my gosh. I have a dollhouse, for those of you who don't know, and this is going in the dollhouse as part of my decor next year. The size is absolute perfection. Talk about inspiring. And look at this pokey tool. No way. It's absolutely stunning. It's got the witch's hat, which I love. The spider. Oh my gosh. And look at these. This is beautiful. I mean, what a work of art. I love it so much. And then we have a pen. Oh my goodness. I'm so spoiled. How do I make this pen work? Okay, we turn it. That's how we make it work. Oh my gosh, I love this. You're amazing, Lori. I mean, your talent is just over the top. I'm just, oh my gosh. And then we have a leg that's been wrapped. Well, okay, she's gifting me the rope. But I was looking at it as like a, something, a prop, if you will. That's great. And then, okay, hold on. And then we have some ghost washi tape. That's super cute. Okay, super cute. And then we have this. Look, you guys. This is a little, she just took a sugar, she took a little candy and she put black and white around the ends. And then let me see if I can pop the top off right here. This is full of, not gems, but charms. Look. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put these on the back of this adorable sticker pack. Look at this. So cute. Loving the black and pink theme. So look at these charms that she gave me. How fun are they, you guys? I love every single one of them. They're fantastic. And I don't know how she fit them all in here. That was a trick in and of itself. I don't know if I can get them back in there. Let me see. Okay, not too bad. If I shake them around a little, they might settle. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me pop this back on. I don't want to lose anything. I actually got them in there. Amazing. That's fantastic. I love it so much. Okay, now, yes, you saw these, which I love. And then I'm going to get to these, but I want to look at these first. These are puffy stickers, you guys. They're so stinking cute. Pink, peach, and purple, pumpkins and leaves, love it. Now let's have a look-see. These are words, and I'm really starting to use words now, so this is great. I hadn't really used them much, but I'm starting to really kind of get the hang of it and enjoy using them. And they're probably on sticker paper. I feel like the back might be sticker paper, so I love this. And Lori, I wonder if you printed these yourself. If you did, will you let me know? Because then if you did, that means I could probably do something similar sometime. Oh my gosh, look at these, they're great. We got Goblin and Chills and Thrills, Candy, Terrifying, Monster, Be Very Afraid. Oh my gosh, these are too good. Book of Spells, Happy Halloween, Creepy, Moonlight. Oh, these are fantastic. Okay, there's more in the bag, you guys. But wait, there's more. Okay, this says Happy Halloween, and it's an adorable bag. I love the way that you have like this whole ensemble going. This is just so inspiring to me. I love it so much. I'd like to get better at doing that. I tend to put things together that sort of like make me happy, but it doesn't mean they necessarily match. Oh my gosh, look at these cute socks. Too cute to spook. They're so adorable. And I don't have any Halloween socks, so that is perfect. I love them. I shouldn't even put them back in here because I'm going to end up having to take them back out and wash them and put them away, but I will for now. Okay, now let me see. There's one more or two more things in our adorable bag. So look at this card. This is so precious. White cardstock, pink overlay, and then the black overlay, and they say boo, and there's little ghosties, and then she put this little tiny adorable ghost right here. Oh my gosh, that's such a fun card. I love it. You're so talented. Oh my goodness. And she sent it with an envelope, which is fantastic. So I will be using that next season. Look at this polka dot bag. Love it so much. With this great tree die cut on sparkly paper. That's even better. I wonder if you printed this out on sparkly like sticker paper. Very inspiring. I'm learning so much from you just opening this box. And we have some ghost washi tape. Let me open this. I definitely feel that she used perhaps some scrapbook paper or something like that and made this envelope. Oh my gosh, a Hershey's. Totally yum. I'm hiding this from everybody in my house and I'm eating it all by myself. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was the contents of the bag, you guys. Now there's one more bag in the box, so let me grab that. Oh my goodness, you guys. You're gonna be so jealous. I'm gonna have to hide this. This is quite the stash we have going on here. Okay, let's see what we have. It looks like yummy treats. We have pumpkin, caramel, and marshmallow. I mean, yummy. And we have pumpkin caramel covered in milk chocolate. Okay, yummy. Oh my gosh, and monster mash jelly bellies. Well, I just can't even, like, my jaw is on the floor looking at all this amazing beauty that you created and sent to me. This is just amazing. My friends, if you don't know Lori is Inspired, please go check her out. As you can see, she's an amazing creator and I'm inspired. So I appreciate you guys being here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.